President Trump says the Senate should simply dismiss the impeachment case against him. The suggestion comes as the House prepares to send over the long-awaited articles of impeachment. Catholic news agency's Matt Hadro reports now from Capitol Hill. Matt?
Good evening, Tracy. Some Democrats have complained about Speaker Pelosi delaying the transfer of the articles of impeachment, but Pelosi herself and other Democratic Party leaders defend the strategy. They say it produced potential evidence and helped turn public attention to the upcoming trial.
President Trump says the Senate should skip the impeachment trial completely, tweeting, "Many believe that by the Senate giving credence to a trial, it gives the partisan Democrat witch hunt credibility that it otherwise does not have." And as Democrats press for trial witnesses to be called, it's Adam Schiff, the Democratic chairman of the House Intelligence Committee, and Speaker Pelosi, who President Trump wants to hear testify. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer says the president's attempt to block witnesses shows he is scared.
I think he's hiding something, and that's why he's so afraid of witnesses and documents.
And Senator Schumer wants to see former National Security Advisor John Bolton forced to testify.
John Bolton is a key witness, and so he should be subpoenaed. And if he is subpoenaed, executive privilege won't stop him.
On a Sunday talk show, Pelosi warned the senators who are thinking now about voting for witnesses or not, they will have to be accountable for not having a fair trial. But Republicans shoot back. The time for witnesses is over.
I think the Speaker needs to acquaint herself with the Constitution, and it is not the job of the Senate to try to fix the completely faulty and flawed process that the House Democrats conducted over here, impeaching the president based on assumptions with no direct evidence, and then begging and pleading with the Senate to do the House's job for them.
Some Republicans appear open to witness testimony, a decision Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says the Senate will make at the proper time.
The timing of the trial could benefit some Democrats on the campaign trail, like former Vice President Joe Biden and Pete Buttigieg, who are not senators and do not have to be in Washington for the trial. Tomorrow, all eyes will be on Speaker Pelosi as she meets with her House Democratic caucus. Tracy?
Catholic news agency's Matt Hadro reporting for us from Capitol Hill. Thanks a lot, Matt.